welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix annoying green line on iPhone screen. Green lines on iPhone screen can appear time after time, even if your iPhone is not damaged. This problem often occurs after update iOS and has been around since the release of iOS 10. And apparently, Apple does not seem to able to provide us with an answer anytime soon. That's why we'll provide to help solve this annoying green line issue on your brand new device like iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11 or other models. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, you should check if iPhone screen is wet. Green lights are likely to appear on your iPhone screen after a liquid invades your device. At this point, you need to check the humidity of the device to see if there is any residual liquid inside the hardware. You can wipe the surface of the screen with a cotton cloth or use a hair dryer to dry any remaining water droplets. The next step is force restart your iPhone. One of the best ways to get rid of green lines from iPhone screen is by force restarting your device. This process restarts it in a fresh mode, making green line disappears completely. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. Then a slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings on iPhone. Another common reason why green line appears on iPhone screen is that your device might be storing some settings which are causing it to crash. The best way to fix this problem is by resetting all of these settings. For this, go to settings, choose general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone, and then choose reset and choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your password, so enter your password to confirm the action and wait for the reset to complete, and you are done. And the next step is adjust display settings on iPhone. You can attempt to adjust your display settings and see if the screen can show its normal state without green lines. To do this, simply go to settings, next scroll down and choose display and brightness option to adjust the brightness sliders, or furtherly turn on true tone and make the device automatically fit for the ambient lighting condition, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS to the latest version. For this, go to settings and choose general option, choose software update, wait until the page is loading, see if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version, and you are done. And the next step is factory reset iPhone. This process resets your iPhone into its original state, eliminating potential errors and glitches on the device. Unfortunately, it will also cause data loss. If you are ready to reset your device, back your data via iCloud or iTunes, then you can handily factory reset your iPhone. For this, go to settings, choose general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone, then choose erase all content and settings. If you want to erase everything, you will be prompted to enter your passcode and then tap on continue and choose erase iPhone again to confirm, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix annoying green lines on iPhone screen, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.